Hey everyone, so in today's video I want to show you guys what I got in my Fab Fit Fun box, and I've never ordered from Fab Fit Fun before, and I really did want to try this out because I heard you get like really great products and it's definitely worth the money and the value is really good. So I decided I would try it out. So I want to show you guys what I got in my fall box, and you've probably seen a couple of these videos, but if you haven't then you can watch mine. And the box is like super cute, so I'm going to show you guys what all is inside because there's a lot of stuff in here, so I'm going to get started. So there's always like a little catalog in here, and I got that. It's cool, kind of tells you about the products. There's a couple like little coupon kind of things like that, so maybe I'll use some of those. But that's always like a nice thing to kind of have and included in the box. So you guys have probably heard of Glam Glow before, and I got these two bubble sheet masks, and I actually really love bubbling masks. I like face masks in general. It's just good to have kind of like a fun pamper chill night. I've been into having face masks lately. So these will be really fun to try. I'll probably have one tonight and use it. So that's pretty cool, and I've never really tried too much by Glam Glow, so that'll be fun. I know they have that like glitter mask, but I heard it's like kind of painful to take off, so I'm excited about these because these are the bubble ones. I also got this super cool handmade towel by Simply Whimsical. Never heard of that brand, but it's just really pretty, and it actually is super soft. I put it back in the plastic to show you guys, but it is very soft. It's just a very cool hand towel, so I think that's like a very fun touch because somebody home made this, so I like that. I also got a mini beauty blender. That's always fun to try. I have a bunch of like little cheap ones I got from the dollar store right now, but I do really like beauty blenders. They are quite expensive. I'm not sure how much the little one is, but it's really cool and fun, and I love using a beauty blender for my makeup or any kind of like face sponge. It's like so much easier to use than a brush, but I used to have one of these and I used it nonstop, so I'll probably use this one nonstop too. I got these brushes by Crown, and it's like a travel brush set, so it just looks like this, and you get a bunch of fun face brushes. This is always good to have on the go. I am obsessed with my mermaid brushes and my little whimsical like fairy wand brushes from Tarte. Like, I love Tarte brushes, so for me it's like kind of hard to use other brushes, but these are super nice, so I think that's great, and they come with this really pretty cool case. Another thing I got was this umbrella, and it hasn't rained too much here lately. It's actually probably going to snow soon. But I mean, umbrellas are super cute, and there was like another choice. I can't remember which one it was. So I did decide to go with this umbrella because I love the pattern of it. And it's by Catherine Mandrino. I'm not going to take it out because it's kind of like hard for me to put it back together. But my dad says there's a way to fix it. So I'm probably just not skilled at using an umbrella because I'm not sure. But I think it's going to look super cute though, like on a rainy day for like Instagram photos. I think that'd be fun, but I just think that'd be cool. There also was a little Luna bar in here, and it was pretty tasty because it had the cashew butter in it, which I definitely really like, so I'm gonna have to try some of those again, and I did get a couple of coupons to try Luna bar, so I will check those out. This is a polishing face exfoliant, and it's in pink grapefruit. I think it just means it's like a face mask, so that'll be really interesting. It feels kind of hard. I don't know how long it's been. Like, this box was in the corner in my room, and it's been there for a little while, and this feels like super cold, so I'm not really sure why. It kind of feels hard, so we'll have to figure that out, but hopefully it's usable. I also got this little blue and capri, and it's just a shower gel, so that's always nice because I'm running out of my shower gel like really fast, so this will be super nice to use and pretty awesome, so yay. There's also a little metallic lipstick, like foil duo. It's in my purse right now, and I don't feel like grabbing it out. But as you can imagine, it's just like a nice lip color. And on one side, it's like more metallic. On the other side, it's more matte. And it's pretty nice, and it's like a good like fall color. It's the same color as it is on the box. So I got a French press coffee maker, and I'm not a big fan of coffee, but I love iced coffee. So I kind of want to try like the French press coffee and do iced. But I think this is so adorable. It says But First Coffee because that's like the Alfred company signature thing. I think it's adorable. It's like so cute and fun. So I'm pretty excited about this. And there was like one other choice. But that is everything in my Fab Fit Fun box. I definitely recommend this. It's not sponsored at all. They did not send any of this stuff to me. I took my money out and I went and decided to purchase a Fab Fit Fun box. And I'm not really sure if I'm going to continue. but I definitely think I'll try it in the future. I think it's cool to like try subscription boxes, and Fab Fit Fun is a seasonal box, so it goes spring, summer, winter, fall. So after this I definitely would be getting the winter box, but I'm not really sure if I'm going to continue. But I definitely really like the products, and it's very fun to try out, and I think everything is full size, so that is super, super cool. Before I go, I did want to talk about a super cool brand that actually did send me these products. It is the brand Mixeasy, and you get to choose what scents you want, what variations of patterns it looks like on your bottles, and you get to choose different things. So I have a shampoo and conditioner, and so I got to choose like the scents I wanted and what I wanted it to do for my hair, what I wanted in it. And that is super, super cool. So you kind of just like mix up your own shampoo and conditioner, which I really love. So they did send me these, and I definitely really love them. Literally, this one is like half gone, and this one's like almost gone. Like, I use these a lot, so I highly recommend. They're super, super cool. I also got one of their face creams, and it just comes in this like a really easy, accessible bottle. And I think it had a lid, but I lost it. It's basically like a fun face moisturizer, so I really like it. It's super creamy. I love it for my face. It's great. It's in my everyday skincare routine. So I highly recommend checking out Mixeasy because I think you guys will really love them, and they're super awesome because you like get to add what you want in them. Like, I chose like argan oil and like all that cool good stuff for my hair. But it's like super cute, and it's very unique, and I love the little patterns on it because you get to choose that too. So it's very fun, and I definitely think you guys should check it out because if you love face cream or you love shampoo and conditioner, I think this would be a great brand for you. And it's also super cute, so why wouldn't you want to? So that is everything in today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what other kind of videos you guys would like to see, and I would love to film them for you. I wanted to do some fall stuff, but it's getting really cold here, so I don't think I can do some of that stuff, but I will try. And I have some fun hauls coming up as well. But I will see you guys in my next video, and I love you so, so much. Bye! You broke my heart till it